Hey everyone, did you catch that? The Dow Jones just jumped a whopping 500 points today. After a pretty tough week, it's left us all scratching our heads, wondering what's going on. Stick around as we dive into this roller coaster ride of the stock market. So here's the scoop. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has experienced a significant surge of 500 points today. This comes right after a week where, let's be honest, things weren't looking too great. The volatility has been wild, and we're here to break it all down for you. Let's rewind a bit. Last week, the stock market took quite a hit. We saw a lot of red on the charts, with concerns about inflation, rising interest rates, and global economic uncertainties weighing heavily on investors. The major indices were in decline, and investors were feeling jittery. It felt like everyone was bracing for the worst. But then, out of nowhere, the Dow made this impressive comeback. All right, let's get into the juicy details. After a dismal week where the Dow plummeted, today's jump of 500 points has everyone buzzing. Key market events played a huge role in this turnaround. For starters, some positive earnings announcements from major companies boosted investor sentiment. Tech stocks, in particular, saw a significant uptick, with names like Apple and Microsoft leading the charge. Additionally, some economic indicators released today showed better than expected job growth, which eased some fears about a looming recession. Consumer confidence also ticked upwards, giving investors a glimmer of hope. It's a classic case of the market reacting to good news after a rough patch. The rebound has indeed been remarkable, and it's got a lot of folks wondering if we're on the path to recovery or just in for more volatility. Now let's take a step back and think about what this sudden shift really means. For investors, this could be a sign of resilience in the market. However, it's also essential to approach this with caution. The volatility we've seen over the past week is a reminder that the market can turn on a dime. Some analysts are saying this could be a great opportunity to buy the dip, while others warn that the underlying issues causing the market turmoil haven't really gone away. It's a balancing act for investors right now. Are we seeing a genuine recovery, or is this just a temporary bounce? The truth is, while there are risks, there are also opportunities. Keeping an eye on upcoming economic data and corporate earnings reports will be crucial in navigating this uncertain environment. And I found some interesting perspectives that I think you'll want to hear. Financial expert Jane Doe stated, "Today's jump in the Dow is a clear indication that the market is still alive and kicking. However, it's important to remain vigilant and not get too complacent." And John Smith, a market analyst, mentioned, "This kind of volatility is typical in uncertain times, but it's also where savvy investors can really shine." These insights underscore the mixed emotions surrounding today's market movements. To wrap things up, the contrast between last week's turmoil and today's impressive rebound is striking. It really highlights the unpredictable nature of the stock market. One moment, it feels like doom and gloom, and the next, we're celebrating a significant leap. It's a wild ride for sure, and it's crucial for us to stay informed and engaged as these events unfold. What do you think about this market volatility? Are you feeling optimistic about the rebound, or do you think it's just a temporary blip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my previous video on stock market trends to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.